Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, hope all of you are doing good and hope you had a good weekend. So we're getting back to our grind. Market analysis for tomorrow. First is Nifty as usual, 15 minutes time frame. So we're at a very crucial level, guys. If you see, we are at a very crucial level and we are still holding this profit here, which is really good. So if market crosses 22,000 and 22,055 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it because this week's momentum is still pending, and I want to enter early as much as possible. If we see here, it is taking a very good resistance. Okay, the actual resistance level is still on top, and this is also a good resistance level. If it reverses from here, it will take support in many places. That is, it will take support first in this place. It might take a first support, then it will take support here. Okay, so these all become support. This trend line doesn't matter anymore. Remote off. Yeah. So this is my idea for tomorrow. That is, if it crosses 22,000 and 22,055 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my target will be till 21,000. That is 22,125. This will be my target. Yeah, nothing more than that. It's just 1 into 1.5 trade, which is really good. 1 is to 2.5 trade. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also the same thing. It has given a breakout, but on Bank Nifty we have a good space on the upper side. If you guys see on 1 hour time frame, I'll show we have a very good space on the upper side. So basically, this is a resistance. We have this gap to be filled yet, and then comes this resistance. And then comes this resistance. There are many resistance here, okay, which has to be taken down, which will be turned as support if it breaches all this level. So for now, I'm holding it. I don't have any plans for entering at this price. It's in the middle, so I don't have any plans to enter or exit here. I will see how the market goes, but tomorrow I'll be bringing my stop loss to cost. This is what I'll be doing. Okay, and next is crude oil. Crude oil on a daily time frame, if we see, it has given a breakout from this trend line and it has survived. Okay, this is a good entry point. This is a very good entry point. So definitely this is a good buy, but the stop loss is kind of big. That is my only concern here. Okay, so if it crosses $79.10 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my first target will be $82.58 or 50 cents. Okay, next is gold. Gold is also in a very interesting spot now, which is hovering near the resistance. This was a consolidation zone, not a consolidation zone. It was a very good zigzag. Now it is waiting at its resistance. Okay, what happens is, if it waits here, when it gives a breakout, it will go on a very good level. So we have to wait for which side is giving breakout. And this is a trend line on a weekly time frame. So this is a very strong trend line. Okay, so I'll be buying it only after, I'll tell you very clearly, I'll be buying it only after 20,000. That is 20,025 and above is where I'll be buying it, nothing before that. Okay, I don't want to get into this noise and give so many stop losses. We have 5 to 6 stocks for swing trading. Yeah, we have 6 stocks for swing trading. First is SBI Life Insurance. SBI Life Insurance looks really good. It has given a breakout, recent all-time high has been broken now with a very strong candle. So we can expect a small pullback. So if I get a price of 1495 to 1517, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 1478 or 79. Next is Emphasis. Emphasis we already entered here. Tomorrow I'm looking forward to enter again. That is, if I get a price of, most probably Emphasis might gap up, but if it comes down at 27852, 2735, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 2665 or 2660. Okay, next is Healthcare Global. Healthcare Global was consolidating near its all-time high, which was consolidating for a very long time, almost of 165 days, and now it has given a very good breakout. So if this breakout lasts, definitely it will be a very good potential for it to go up. So if I get a price of 381 to 385, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 375. Next is Kirloskar. Kirloskar also has given a breakout of its all-time high. So it is at 726, but I'm expecting a profit booking tomorrow. So if I get a price of 700 to 730, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 685. Next is Dish TV. Dish TV on a weekly time frame. Let's see, after this downtrend, see, it has come from 119 rupees to 3 rupees, which was a very bad fall, which was an extremely bad fall. Imagine if people would have invested it here all time high, or here all time high, or here all time high. Imagine investing here at all time high and it falls to 3 rupees. Well, that will be devastating. This is why trailing stop loss is extremely important. Okay, so but if the stock falls, it has a potential of going up to, if a stock goes up, it has a potential of coming down to. So it has reached till 140, I guess. The all-time high is 142. It's fine, great. So tomorrow Dish TV, we'll be looking forward to buy with a small quantity. Okay, so I'll be buying it post 24 rupees, and my stop loss will be at 22 rupees. The 2 to 3 rupees stop loss will be fine. Next is Techno Electric. Techno Electrics, this is a good pattern, and this is the resistance at 831. 826 is the resistance. So if it crosses 835 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 813 or 815. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe, and please trade with proper risk management. Don't over leverage, or don't buy big size positions, or just take small losses, try winning big. That is the slogan, and we make sure we stay in the market. So not losing big is also a win in the market. What happens is gradually you will go to a break even, and then gradually you will become profitable. Alright, so thank you so much. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Take care. Bye bye.